Hi everyone, I'm Corina and I'm a meditation teacher. I love to practice yoga daily to honor and show reverence to my body for everything it does for me. I have recently discovered this beautiful eco-friendly yoga mat from Complete Unity Yoga. It's made from natural tree rubber and natural jute. The grip on this mat is amazing. I have never ever experienced such a strong grip on a yoga mat before. One of the standout features I love about this yoga mat is that it's made from sustainably harvested natural tree rubber, which is biodegradable, free from PVC, toxic chemicals, and synthetic materials. Overall, I am in love with this yoga mat. It's lightweight, easy to carry, has a non-slip surface. It helps me in my practice and also protects the environment. I hope you feel inspired to purchase your own eco-friendly yoga mat.